Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our mission today is revision for test 1.
Okay, thank you, Yaman. And now we are in lesson 2-3, solving multi-step equations. Okay, I will start with equation number, let us take 17. Okay, 17, it is 17 also, yes. 17 equal P minus 3 minus 3P. Okay, now he asking me to solve this equation. Okay, my dear student, you have to remember the main objective of solving any equation, to make the variable or the letter alone. Okay, and as we know before, this is the left and this is the right. Okay, so we move to the side that has my variable and try to make it alone. But here I cannot make it alone until do combine. Okay, I have to do combine, and the meaning of the combine, my dear student, collect the variables together. As you see here, we have 1b here and negative 3b here. Okay, 1 and negative 3b, Yaman,
Equal negative 2b.
2p, yes. So from here, negative, 1p and negative 3p, it is negative 2p, and the 3 here, or the negative 3, has nothing to combine with it, yes, so negative 3. Okay, so this is the right side, yes. Okay, what's about the left side? It's just watching and waiting. Okay, now I have left also and I have right, and my main objective is to make the P alone here, but the P have a company here, which is negative 2 and negative 3. Negative 2, it is a coefficient of the P, yes, because it is stick with it, so we leave it at the last step. So we focus on the negative 3, and to eliminate the negative 3 by plus 3 both sides, or by throwing this negative 3 to the left side. Okay, my dear student, I will throw it here. So when I throw it, I change the sign, it will be positive. So 3 plus 17, this is the left side, and the right side I
Negative 2p.
Yes, thank you, Yaman, you are helping me now. Okay. Now this is the left and this is the right. We collect 3 plus 17 equal
20.
Yes, which is 20. Now I reach to the last step, my dear student. Now let us remind ourselves the main objective, make the P alone. So how we can eliminate the negative 2?
We add 2.
Yes, this is common mistake. Common mistake. So it is, there are multiply. It is coefficient all of time, Yaman, and all the coefficient, the number that stick with the variable, we divide by it, whatever the number, Yaman. Okay. So it is tricky. It is negative 2. So plus, no, it is coefficient. You see, it is stick. There is no sign between the 2 and the P. Yes. Nothing.
Yes.
So we consider it is
Multiply.
So the opposite of multiply, divide. So all of time.
Here, divide.
Yes, divide. It is divide. I do this divide, or yes, okay, this mean divide over. So here I get negative 10. Yes, Iman.
Yeah.
And here eliminated by
P.
division, so the P equal
Negative 10.
So this is the first kind of question that will come inshallah tomorrow for the test. Now the second part, so the first part, it is combine. Okay, combine the terms to solve the equation. Okay, now the second part here, I will take one example here. I will take question number 25. which is, give it to me, Ayman.
7
Multiply f minus 1
equal 45.
Now, how we can solve like this equation, my dear student? Yes, determine the left, teacher, determine the right. All of us know that, the left and the right side in the equation. But every time I have parentheses, we have to break it. Okay, or use Ali story, and all of these under distributive property. So tomorrow, if anyone asks you what is the first step to do like this equation, don't say breaking parentheses or Ali story, because it is between us. You have to tell him use the distributive property. What is Yaman?
Use the distributive property.
So distributive property, like Ali story, it is 7 multiply f equal
7f,
and 7 multiply
-1
equal
is -7.
-7. Great. This is the left side, yes?
Yeah.
What about the right side,
Let's
Yaman?
go only watching.
Yes. Now, here I have to make the 7 or the f alone, yes? Okay. We said don't look at the number that is thick
With the letter.
with the letter, but look to the
Other number.
yeah, which is
-7.
so what I have to do with the -7?
We let it to the other side.
Yes, we throw it. Yes, we throw it to the right side.
And we change the sign.
Sure, we know that. Okay, 7f stay in the left side. Yes.
Yeah, and 45 plus 7 is still in the right.
Great, man. You are really help. So 45 plus 7, man.
Equal 52.
And here 7f. So what is the coefficient, man, of f?
It is multiply.
No, the coefficient mean, what is the coefficient? When I ask what is the coefficient, mean what is the number that is thick
7.
with the variable, yes, which is 7, yes. So directly, what is the coefficient? It is 7, so divide by 7. Okay, what is the coefficient? Whatever, so divide by whatever. Okay, so divide by 7, divide by 7. So the f coming down alone and happy, and waiting what will happen here. Now, how we can do this in, it is improper fraction. So we ask how many 7 in 49, yeah, man?
And 52, 7.
And 52, yes, 7. I don't change the color. So it is 7, and I draw this line
7 down.
and put this here, yes.
And the 3 up. What are we?
How you know it is a 3?
Because what is the number that we add 49 equal 52.
So 7 multiply 7, as Yaman said, equal 49.
Plus 3.
And plus what equal 52? It is a plus 3. So it is 7. Let me rewrite it again. It is 7 and 3 over 7. 7 and 3 over 7. Okay, great. Now let us take one more question.
43.
43?
Yeah.
There is no 43. Yeah. Oh, you jump. Very good. Okay, I will take it, but let me make sure I covered all the tests. Yes, yeah, man. It is very important for my student. Okay, I will not leave them alone. Okay.
32.
Okay.
Or 33.
Okay, I will take
33.
30.
3.
Okay, 33. Give me 33 يا مان لو سمحت.
Okay.
Please.
2 over 3
Okay.
plus 3 multiply m or 3m over 5 equal 31 over 15.
Okay, my dear student. Here, this is the left. Let me erase this. Okay. This is the left, and this is the right. Okay.
Okay.
Now, we move to the side that have a variable. Okay, I have fraction plus. Okay, can I combine them, yeah man? You know what combine? Can I add 2 over 3 plus 3m over
No,
5? No.
cannot, because the denominators are not equal.
This is the first thing. The second thing, here we have m,
And here we doesn't.
we doesn't have. So we can throw this number, which is 2 over 3, to the,
Other side.
yes, here, and it will be, see?
Negative 2 over 3.
Yes, sure. But let me write the left side for
3m divide 5.
equal,
31 over 15.
yes,
31 over 15 minus or negative 2 over 3.
great. Now, all of my students can do this.
Left and right side.
Wait, can do this subtraction. I will do it here. 31 over 15 minus 2 over 3. As you see, they are different. Yes, 15 and 3. Could be the 3 like the 15.
Yeah, multiply 5.
So multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. Now 31 over 15 minus
10 over 15. So it is
21
over 15.
21 over 15.
Which equal 1 and 6 over 15.
Wait a minute.
1.
Divide by, the 21 can be divided by 3. And this can be divided by 3. So 7
Over 5.
over 5, 15 divided 3.
5.
7 over 5. Don't do anything till now. We're not finished. Now I come back here and take my 7 over 5.
7 over 5, yes.
Yes, this equals 7 over 5. We calculated before. 7 over 5. Now, let me remind you something, boys. In solving proportion, we said that if I have in the left fraction and in the right fraction, that means I can do the cross multiplication, okay? So I do, so one fraction only. If I have in the left one fraction and in the right one fraction, so I can do the cross multiplication. The cross multiplication, 5 multiply 7, which equal 35, and and 5 multiply 3m equal
15m. Down it will still 5.
okay. Okay, now this is the left and this is the right. How I can eliminate the 15m and the coefficient?
It is divide.
Divide directly. What is the coefficient?
Now I was want to say multiply m and
What is the coefficient?
it is 15.
So divide by 15 directly. Don't think. Okay.
No, I only want to say multiply m, so because it's a hidden multiply.
Yes, I know what you mean. You mean there are a hidden multiplication here, so we use divide.
Yeah.
The opposite of the multiplication, it is division. The long story, but no. Now we say, what is the coefficient?
15 divide 15.
Divide by 15. Okay, great. So over 15 over 15. So the m coming down and waiting. What happened between the 35 over 15? First of all, before you write it as a mixed number, up and down, I have a numbers end with the 5. So divide up
by 5 and down by 5. So it is 7 over 3.
So it is 7 over 3. Now you can write it as a mixed number. How many 3 in 7, yeah, man?
There is 2. And
2, and draw this line. Okay, let us learn our student. How many 3 in 7? It is 2. And I draw this line. I put this down and I multiply. 2 multiply 3?
6.
How many steps to reach the 7?
1.
It is 1. So m equal 2 and third. Yes, 2 and 1 third. Okay, boys. So this is one question, okay, from 2-3. Now we will complete solve each equation. Now we will give a question for a decimal. Okay, I know you like the decimal because it is real and halala. Yes. Okay. Now I will take question number 42. Question number
42.
which is 1.12 plus
1.25g equal 8.62.
equal
8.62.
okay. Now as we learned, okay, this is left and this is right. Okay, now we have to make the G alone. Yes. So what is the first step, yeah, man? To make the G alone.
Yeah, but if the number is thick, we will leave it at the last. So the
Yeah.
1.12, we will make the opposite. It's positive, so minus.
So or we can throw it here. Yes,
Yes.
minus, or it is the same story. Okay, give the same answer. So 1.25
G
equal
8.62 and negative 1 of 1.12.
okay, great. Now can you do this? How we do this? See,
No.
it is 8.62 minus, see, I take this number from it is decimal and put the decimal under the decimal and distribute left and right as it is. One here and 1, 2 here, and do the subtraction.
So it is
0.
7 point.
No, don't start from here. 2 minus 2, 0,
I'll
6
say the
minus.
answer only.
No. Wait a minute.
7.
7.5 or 7.5. Okay, so this amount is 7.5. Now what we have to do here, man?
Now we want to take the number with G.
What is no? You have to replay me.
No.
What is
the
coefficient?
coefficient of G? It's 1.25.
So
divide 1.25.
So divide by 1.25. Divide by 1.25. So the G equal 7.5 over 1.25. Now we have a problem here. It is division with decimal. The number up is n, yes, and the number out.
And we cannot make the number out with the point, so we will make it 2.
Okay, let me say it in another word.
Okay.
So the divisor here cannot be hold the decimal point, so I move it how many steps?
2 steps.
1, 2, and because of that, what we have to do here?
The other side. We have 1.
To move it 1,
2.
but I have nothing
0,
here. So we add 0 here, and then I move it out. So no zero, no decimal here, and no decimal here. Sorry, I erase
the 2
by mistake. Again by mistake. Okay. Now it's 750 divided by 125. How many? Let me try. 5. 5 by 5 equal 25. Let's try.
It is 6. It
is 6?
Yeah, maybe 6.
Okay, 6 by 5, 30. 6 by 2, 12. So it's 750, yes?
Yeah.
So the answer of G here is equal 6. So G equal
6.
6. It's the correct answer. So this is about the decimal. Okay, so tomorrow be careful about the decimal point. Okay, all of time, not only tomorrow. Yes, yes, yeah, man. Now let us take number 49. It is
8n minus multiply 2n.
Great.
My negative 3
Equal
12.
Now how I can break the parentheses here? This is very important. You see this negative, yeah, man? This negative, it hold 1 here. Okay, and the negative 1 will visit this and this. So let us see what happened. 8n negative 1 multiply 2n
equal negative 2n,
and negative 1 multiply
negative 3 equal 3
plus 3 equal 12. So this is the first step. I break the parentheses all of time. Now after I break the parentheses, I have to combine, because I have negative 2n and 8n, and 8 minus 2
equal 6, and
6n plus 3 equal
12.
Now it is easy to solve.
6n plus 3 equal 9n.
Wait, yeah, man, you are very fast. So here it is 6n equal 12
plus 3
12
or negative 3.
Yes, be careful. And 6n equal 9. So n equal, okay, I'm very fast also. So divide by 6 and divide by 6. Yes?
Yes.
So n equal 9 over 6. Both of them can be divided by what?
By 3.
So n equal 3 over
2, which
2.
equal 1.5.
Which equal 1.5. Great boy. 1.5. We can write like this, or we can write it like this. Okay, it is the same. Okay, this is part 1. Okay, or 2-3. See you in the next video, which is 2-4 inshallah soon.